Keep the line moving, please.
Yes, ma'am. Next group through. On it. Okay, steady. Check the head scales.
Pattern's clear, no issues.
This one's moving, holding steady.
All good here.
Easy now, big fella. Let's get you up here. There you go. Look how they move together.
It's fascinating to watch.
They seem quite calm.
Look at its coloration. It's quite vibrant.
Yes, and its skin is smooth. Here, look.
I'm sketching it now.
Easy now, into the box. That's it. Follow the scent.
This section is stretching well. Yes, the texture is consistent.
Pressure is stabilizing. Keep scrubbing. Copy that. Almost done here. Good. Check the next tank. Okay, lower it slowly. Got it. Hold it there. I'll check the moisture. Readings look good. This side is almost done.
Okay, this one needs a little more work.
This one's coming along nicely. Yeah, the texture is really popping.